What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to loop a YouTube video on your mobile device. First, open the YouTube app and find the video you want to loop. Once you found the video, start playing it. Next, start on the video player to bring up the video controls. You will see several icons, including a gear icon in the top right corner, which represents the settings. Tap on the settings gear icon. In the settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Additional Settings. Tap on it and then you'll see the Loop Video options among others. Tap on this option. A message will appear confirming that the video loop is now on. To test it, drag the video playback slider to the end of the video. Once the video finishes, it will automatically restart from the beginning, looping continuously. By following these steps, you can easily loop any YouTube video on your mobile device. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.